Tomorrow, for the first time in U.S. history, a criminal trial for a former U.S. president will begin. Donald Trump will be in Manhattan in a courtroom there, and security will be extra tight. WRAL's Megan Glover shares the insights from our local legal experts.
We are all constantly bombarded with the news of the former president's legal troubles about the upcoming trial.
Like many legal experts, Duke law professor and former federal prosecutor Shane Stansberry will be watching Donald Trump's first criminal trial closely.
You put on top of that the horse race politics that we're all witnessing, and so it can be difficult to remember that we're watching the first trial of an American president, a former president. That's a sobering thought.
Potential jurors will answer 42 questions to determine whether they can be impartial. That's in the criminal hush money case brought on by the Manhattan district attorney. Now, some of those questions will be typical of any trial, but
there'll also be more pointed questions about whether they follow Donald Trump on Truth Social, or whether they're part of groups like the Proud Boys, all sorts of questions like that to try to get a better sense of who this group is. And under state law, under the New York process, the lawyers will get to ask follow-up questions to those jurors, and that can take some time.
Trump is charged with 34 low-level felony counts of falsifying business records to cover up efforts to hide scandalous secrets from voters during the 2016 campaign. That includes the Stormy Daniels situation.
You look great.
At the center of the case, a $130,000 hush money payment, mislabeled as legal services.
The things that I'm going to be looking for in the case early on are how the prosecution presents its theory of the case. The expectation is that this is going to be presented as a case about elections, and that the falsification was for the purpose of committing to cover up election crimes.
Like so many other cases against Trump, this one has the country divided. It's likely the former president will repeat his claims that this trial is part of the Biden administration's, quote, weaponization of our system of justice. Stansberry recommends all of us tune out the noise and focus on the evidence and the arguments in court.
I would just encourage us all, myself included, that to be humble in this moment and to recognize the magnitude of this moment.
Megan Glover, WRAL News.
We have some more information we want to share with you. In this case, former President Trump does not have the option to skip court. He is expected to be in the room for the trial, estimated to last about 6 to 8 weeks.